Foods rich in vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is found in foods of animal origin, and if you are a vegetarian, then let's see later in the video how vegetarians can get it. Well, the daily recommended intake of vitamin B12 is 2.4 micrograms per day for adults and increases a little more for pregnant and breastfeeding women. Vitamin B12 is important for RBC formation. Deficiency means your blood can't carry enough oxygen. For nervous system, a deficiency can lead to nerve damage and neurological problems such as numbness, tingling, and difficulty walking. Energy production. Deficiency can cause fatigue or weakness. DNA synthesis regulates level of homocysteine. Mental health supports immune system, metabolism of fatty acids and amino acids. More details can be found on our website irastoworldhealth.com. But coming to the foods rich in vitamin B12, which are clams, beef liver, lamb liver, mackerel, crab, beef, Swiss cheese, salmon, eggs, fortified cereals. Now, if we don't eat beef, nor do we know how to cook clams, nor are interested in lamb kidney, then how do vegetarians get B12 from? Vitamin B12 is added to foods. Vitamin B12 is typically added in the form of cyanocobalamin, methylcobalamin. Cyanocobalamin is a synthetic form of vitamin B12. It is often used in supplements and fortified foods. It is stable and has a longer shelf life compared to natural forms of B12. Once ingested, the body converts it to the active form of B12, methylcobalamin and adenosylcobalamin. Methylcobalamin. This is one of the natural forms of vitamin B12 and is used less frequently for food fortification compared to cyanocobalamin. However, it is still used in some cases, especially in high quality supplements. Vitamin B12 is found in fortified cereals, fortified nutritional yeast, fortified plant milks, fortified soy products, dairy milk, yogurt, cheese, eggs, fortified margarine. The amounts of vitamin B12 in fortified products can vary greatly. Always check the nutrition label for the specific amount. For more detailed information, visit our website irastoworldhealth.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.